Just to be real and raw, this is how my house looks from the inside. Hi, my people. Hi, guys. I am back, guys. Most of you have been asking, Nilienda wapi? Why am I not posting in my channel? I took a break, but now I am back. Actually, nimetoka kulala. As I look, hivi tu ndo nakaa. Nimetoka kulala actually. So today I thought, let me do an interesting video, and I'm going to show you guys how my single room looks. Single room tour. So this is just a humble house. Like, it doesn't have everything that I want, but I thought of just showing you guys where I have started. And yeah, I moved out alone. Before I used to live with a roommate, but now I'm alone. So let's do this tour. No judging. Usinieke kwa klasi yako. This is just my house. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's start with my kitchen. As I told you, this is just a single room. So this is, let me put on the lights. The real lights. So yeah, this is my kitchen, and this is my kitchen table, my gas. I don't have a sink. It's a single room. And these are my shopping, kitchen shopping. These are my plates, and this is where I put water. We don't have a sink. We don't have water inside the room, so I put water here. I store it here. And let's go to the bedroom immediately. Ama let's finish with this hapa kwa mlango. This is the door, and this is my curtain. My door curtain, it's red. And this is my window. My window curtain is white, so it's a white and red. And this is my wardrobe, shoe rack, and everything in one thing. So this is the wardrobe. Let's call it a wardrobe juu niko na hangers pale, niko na nguo pale nimezipanga, bed sheets na viatu. This is my dustbin. This is where I put my clothes, tripod. This is my mirror. Msijali, kuna some trophies, you know. Kuna watu walikuwa wanasema kulangi kiporo high school. This is my food. Nilibakisha usiku, so I'm going to eat it. And that is my bed. Tumeingia bedroom sasa. This is my bed. Hivyo ndo inakaa. And this is my study table. So this carpet, I bought it in Gikosh. It makes the house look so nice. Like, I love my house so much. It's just a single room, so you can't see the toilet because choo iko nje, of course. So this is how it looks, the whole of it. Hii ni just a piece of cloth. This one, the red one, nilieka hapa juu my carpet haingefika huko. I'm just hiding the floor. This is just the floor, like the floor haina tiles. So yeah, this is the base. This is basically the whole house. Just to be real and raw, this is how my house looks from the inside. This is the owner. I look sleepy, I know, I look messed up, Yeah, if you love this video, just subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. I am fully back, I promise you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I guess this is a bye. Oh, you guys wanted to see the toilet. I don't know, but the toilet is outside. So yeah, I can't show you the toilet, of course. But yeah, once I move into a bed sitter or I upgrade, I will let you guys know.